Hey guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax in St. Petersburg. We are one day away from kicking off the in-house boat show at MarineMax in St. Petersburg, 6810 Gulfport Boulevard South. Got a lot of moving parts today, guys. A lot of logistics going on. We're getting the display ready, making this thing really pop. We got the tent going up right now. It's January in Florida. That means nothing to us because there's not a single cloud in the sky. It feels like boating season. We're all fired up. We're ready to get you on the water. We've already got our boats. We are not de-winterizing them, but we're taking them out of the garage. We're ready to rock and roll. So we do have manufacturer incentives. Man, I haven't said that in 2 years, okay? We got the inventory, 29 boats on display. We're ready to make deals. We're ready to have some fun. We're just waiting on you. I'm Nick Pavlakis here at MarineMax in St. Pete, and we are one day away from our in-house boat show. See you guys there.